The new season of Stranger Things turned the horror knob up to 11. But there is one scene that's been living in my head rent-free for days. It's this scene, the Black Hawk Down moment, where the monsters are swarming the military compound. Look at that. It bursts through the steel floor plate like it's tissue paper.
Once the goosebumps settled down, I had questions. How strong is a Demogorgon? What are they doing for chest day? Today, we're going to use forensic engineering to find out. To solve this, we need to treat this scene like a crime scene. We need to document our boundary conditions.
First, material. Standard carbon steel industrial plate. But look closely at the joints. They didn't use full pin butt welds. They used these little scab plates to join the sections. Why? Because this evil military group, much like our own government, loves the lowest bidder.
Everything I'm wearing, I've had since boot camp.
Weird flex indeed. This cheap construction detail creates a weak point. It creates stress concentration, which impacts the entire calculation. I built a finite element model of the floor section. We have the plate thickness, the material properties of mild steel, and those scab plate connections. Now we apply the load. I'm going to assume the Demogorgon has perfect lifting form because, well, you can't exactly take over the world if you blow out a hamstring. Watch the stress map. As the monster pushes up, the plate doesn't just bend, the connections shear. Simulation shows the steel yielding, then ripping at the weldments. In the show, it happens in a blink. In the simulation, we can see the peak force hits in a fraction of a second.
So what is the number? How much force did the Demogorgon generate? Here we are at Hawkins National Lab, using some Python scripts to figure out just that.
Over 27,000 pounds of force. That's nearly 14 tons of vertical thrust. To put that in perspective, that isn't just strong, that is the equivalent of balancing a fully loaded school bus on a single dinner plate, or having two T-Rexes bite you at exactly the same time. A human can press maybe 200 pounds, a Demogorgon presses 27,000. Dustin and the gang, they have a problem.
This analysis proves that the Demogorgon isn't just a predator, it's a biological hydraulic press. The physics check out. 27,000 pounds is terrifyingly realistic for a creature of that density. I'm Clay Brittain. If you have a favorite movie scene where the physics seem suspicious, let me know in the comments and we'll put it to the test. Stay safe out there, and as always, stay frosty. C4 is out.